Checker pawn chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Replace each player's pawns with checkers. Checkers move one space diagonally forward towards their opponent's side of the board. Checkers capture by jumping an enemy piece and landing on a vacant square beyond that piece in a straight line. You do not have to jump if you don't want to. If, after jumping, your checker has another available jump, you may perform it immediately. You are allowed to string together as many legal jumps as you want in a single turn. When your checker reaches the opposite side of the board, you may promote it to a queen or a checker king. A checker king is not royal and is not checked or checkmated. Instead, it has the same movement and capture rules as a regular checker, except it can move forwards and backwards.